Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka here, and today I am going to show you my village house. Right now I am in my village, so I thought why should I not show you my village house? I love greenery, and today I got a chance to show you my village house, and I'm sure you love it. So here is the entry gate, and where our day start with this nature, bird sounds, and with this greenery that always feel us connected, and it always give a peaceful vibes. So I am going to show you my village house, cow shed, and today my mom made rabdi for me that I really like it, and as she made it for me, so I'm also going to show you a lot of things. So please stay with me and watch this video till the end so that you can also enjoy a lot of things. If you are someone who loves village lifestyle, or you have your own village and you really miss it, so this video is for you, because today you are going to see a lot of things in my small blogs. And if you want something, so please let me know in my comment box so that I can show you a lot of things. Do you feel so? Village life teaches us that happiness doesn't need expensive things. Village life may look ordinary, but every small moment here feels real. So here I wanted to talk these girls, but they were hiding up their face. Then I wanted to talk to them, and they were not ready to say anything. But I just captured some special moment for you guys. So if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because I am doing a lot of work for you. So this is a place where people sit and they talk about their life and all. Do you know guys, whenever I come to my village, it always make me feel happy. I feel connected to the nature. And here I want to ask you one thing that I'm really so curious, and I am sure if you are from village you also have noticed one thing. Every village houses have neem tree, and people place sankarji or any stone under tree. And do you know why it happened? What is the reason? If you know, please give me in my comment box. And I'm sure if you have a village, so I'm sure there must be neem tree in front of your house, and any stones must be placed under neem tree, and people do puja every single day, and we believe that this is a sankarji. Alright, so if you have, so please let me know in my comment box, because if you give me message I feel more connected to you. So this is place where is called cow shed, and this is really very big place where I think 20 to 30 cow can live over here. And here I have seen people treat cow and buffalo as like a part of their family. They really take care of them, they give them their food, and as you can see there are a cooler. Oh my god, that really make me surprised when I saw there. But it really make me happy that here people are really very caring. And as you can see here, cow's food, that cow can eat green fruit food. So in a cities people love to have protein shake and all, but in a village people just take cow milk and grow naturally. Have you ever seen this kind of cow shed? Please let me know. These cow shed are really so big. And honestly, guys, I really feel so lucky to have this wonderful village, and I can feel this greenery. I can see the village lifestyle, this peaceful life that really look ordinary, but people here really enjoy it. And here I realize that sometimes we don't need expensive things to be happy, even though people are really happy in their small things, in peaceful life, and people who really spend their time with this greenery and all. So I really feel blessed, and I say thank you so much, God, for giving me this wonderful thing. Here, this is the traditional way to chop vegetables. These days we are using chopping boards, knife to chop the vegetable. But here, look at them how they are chopping vegetable, but they are chopping faster than us. And I feel like I should show you. You might haven't seen it, but I find really fascinating the way she is chopping vegetables. And have you ever seen this type of thing to chop any vegetables or any ways, or have you ever done by it yourself? When I saw it, it really made me happy. And one more thing I want to show you in this vlog here. So today my mom is making rabdi for me on this chulha. This is a made chulha. In Hindi it's called chulha. So here people make food here. So my mom is making rabdi today, which was really so delicious. I ate with rice. It was really amazing, and I felt like we can't get it in cities. So it's, look at this, the milk. We So what she does, she keeps stirring until it become in a small amount or it become thick. And here is our tasty rabdi. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. And if you like any part, or if you want to say anything, please give in my comment box, because your comments really make me happy and it really motivate me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, we'll meet you next video.